Rheinmetall Natter1.35. In mid-August, the German company Rheinmetall unveiled its new innovative remote-controlled combat module. The Natter1.35 serves as a means of self-defense for vehicles and can be mounted on the roof of wheeled or tracked vehicles. Control and targeting are conducted from the cockpit, with an additional monitor inside that displays images from the weapon's cameras. A distinctive feature of the Natter1.35 is the modular design, which allows to change the caliber by integrating various kits. It can range from 5.56 by 45mm to 7.62 by 51mm. Its impact on the aerodynamic capabilities of the vehicle is minimal, and the unique carbon-based mount significantly reduces the weight and vibration. The presence of the all-weather flex-eye sensor system is an advantage. Targets are displayed on the screen during combat operations. Manual and automatic target tracking are also available. Overall, the Natter1.35 has intuitive controls and an intelligent assistance system to help reduce the operator's stress level in combat conditions. Radetec Smart Gun. You are looking at a weapon that, if lost during a fight, can't be used against its owner. All thanks to a patented, clever locking system. The gun works in conjunction with a band that can be worn on your arm, or more discreetly, on your ankle. The smart system tracks the location of the band, its contact with the skin, and locks or unlocks the gun accordingly. An additional advantage of the smart gun is that it can be reconfigured to be used by a single user or by a group of people. SONGAR Armed Drone. Military drones give armies a serious tactical advantage, but experts from the Turkish company ASISGuard have managed to take them to a whole new level. This is a combat drone that allows you to shoot while remaining relatively safe. It's equipped with an assault rifle that fires 5.56 by 45mm ammo. By the way, when firing, the recoil of the weapon is absorbed by the stabilization system, so much so that the drone hovers practically motionless in the air. It is this system that allows it to hit targets more accurately than competitors. The armed drone has a control range of up to 6.2 miles. The maximum altitude to which that it can climb is 984 feet. A multiple camera system with 10 times zoom provides the operator with a situational awareness and allows for combat operations at any time of day and in any weather. The weight of a fully equipped drone is relatively light, just 55 pounds, making it easy to transport and activate. Kel-Tec P50. Although this weapon looks like a prop from a sci-fi movie, it can be quite useful. The Kel-Tec P50 semi-automatic pistol was released in January this year. It can be converted into a carbine, a submachine gun, or become a gun for a drone. All of the details are located on the upper receiver, except for the trigger, so that it can easily be adapted for remote firing. The lower receiver got a Picatinny rail and special mounts, so that the gun can be quickly supplemented with a folding buttstock and a vertical handguard. The caliber of cartridges used is 5.7 by 28mm, and compared to its predecessors and competitors with the same caliber, the Kel-Tec P50 boasts an impressive magazine capacity, 50 rounds instead of the standard 20. According to experts, the most suitable applications for it are self-defense, home defense, and small game hunting. MP155 Ultima. The next weapon we'll talk about was made by the Russian company Kalashnikov and presented in 2020. It is the first smart weapon of this brand. It features a high-resolution video camera, a digital screen, a collimator sight, and even a built-in computer. This clever combination of modifications allows the gun to effectively track and assess every shot, even remotely. All information collected by the rifle is transmitted in real time to an app on your smartphone or computer. Why is this needed though? To increase the effectiveness of training for novice shooters. The MR155 Ultima also opens up a whole new range of shooting competitions. For example, shooters in different parts of the world can compete against each other. And of course, this digital technology will be useful for the military, because it will allow them to adjust the actions of each individual soldier. In terms of specifications, the MP155 Ultima is a 12mm caliber rifle with a 6-round magazine. Corner shot. Despite the fact that this device is not a novelty, it is still worth our attention, because it makes the work of special services and military significantly safer and more effective. As you can guess from the name, corner shot allows you to fire while remaining behind a corner, that is, in cover. The manufacturer, an Israeli company that goes by the same name, offers several versions of this mechanical device, compatible with different types of weapons. They all consist of two elements. The first is static, and the second is swiveling. The firearm is attached to the latter. The moving part can rotate left or right by 62 degrees relative to the mounting axis. It's equipped with a camera that transmits images to the display in the static part. This enables the user not only to assess the situation around the corner, but also to aim before firing. In its extended version, the corner shot is equipped with a folding stock, flashlight and laser target indicator. Rex 1. Here is another product developed by Kalashnikov, this time designed to combat intruder drones. Rex 1 looks more like a submachine gun than anything else, but it doesn't need ammunition to operate. The main weapon of the system is a suppression unit, which jams the signals of all known satellite navigation systems within a radius of 3 miles. GPS, GLONASS, Beidou and Galileo simply stop working. In addition, the signals of cellular and radio communications are blocked, and interference is created on the frequencies used by remote controls. Almost any drone fails under such conditions. However, it's not physically damaged and smoothly lands on the ground as it loses communication with the remote control. XAR Invicta. The traditional design of AR-15 semi-automatic rifles makes it impossible to use folding stocks. However, the American company F&D Defense has figured out how to solve the problem, and in 2017 introduced the XAR Invicta, a modified version of the previously mentioned rifle. The weapon features a folding hinged barrel. This design was not chosen by chance, as it speeds up bringing the rifle into the firing position. As a result, the procedure takes less than 5 seconds. XAR Invicta is so compact that when folded, it can easily be carried discreetly in a standard backpack. According to the manufacturer, you don't have to worry about the zero position, because the mount between the rifle and the receiver is specifically designed to prevent the sight from moving. And finally, the XAR Invicta is .223 caliber, and the manufacturer also offers 14.5-inch and 16-inch barrel versions.